Ever wished you could boost efficiency on your records with just one click? Today, I'll show you exactly how to create a custom button on a related list, an awesome way to add functionality and streamline tasks right inside your application. To get started, head to the gear icon in the top right corner of your screen. Click it and you'll see the advanced setup area. This section is your control center for deeper customization and is where everything begins. Once you're in advanced setup, search for the Object Manager and open it. Object Manager is where you manage and tweak all the objects in your system, standard or custom. Now choose the object you want to work with. It could be something like contacts or any custom object you're using. Picking the right object is important because that's where your custom button will live and function. On the left panel of the Object Manager, you'll see an option called Field Sets. Click on it. Then hit the new button to create a field set from scratch. Think of a field set as a grouped collection of fields you can use in different areas of your app. Keeping names clean and clear here will save you headaches later. When the new field set window opens, add a field set label. This is the name your users will see. Make it practical and descriptive. For example, if you're setting it up for contact details, something like contact info works perfectly, and the field set name will autofill based on the label. Just confirm it follows your naming standards. You'll also see an optional description box. It's easy to skip, but if you're collaborating with others, adding a quick note about the purpose of the field set can prevent confusion down the road. Once that's filled out, hit save. Now you're ready to add the fields. You'll see a list of available fields you can drag and drop into your new field set. Arrange them however you want. This controls what data is available when the button is used. After you've pulled in all the fields you need, click Save Again to lock it in. And that's it. Your custom setup is now in place to be tied to a related list button. With just a few steps, you've created a button that can trigger actions, show key data, or make processes a whole lot smoother. If you found this helpful and want more bite-sized walkthroughs like this, stick around and check out the other tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.